A clean microwave is a happy microwave. It's important to clean your microwave. It keeps it working well. It also keeps your food safe and tasty. When your microwave sparkles, so does your kitchen. It brings a sense of peace. Cleaning your microwave doesn't have to be a chore. It can be a mindful act. Take a moment to appreciate your microwave. It helps you prepare delicious food. Let's show it some love by keeping it clean. Here's a simple way to clean your microwave. First, take a bowl. Fill it with 1 cup of water. Add a few slices of lemon to the water. Lemon freshens the air. It also helps loosen food particles. Next, place the bowl in the microwave. Heat on high for about 5 minutes. The steam will soften any stuck-on food. After heating, carefully remove the bowl. Be careful of the hot steam. Now wipe the inside of the microwave with a damp sponge. See how easily the grime comes off? You've cleaned your microwave. Doesn't it feel good? Your microwave is now ready to cook delicious food again. Sometimes food really sticks. Don't worry, we can clean that too. Mix baking soda with a little water. Make a paste. Apply the paste to a sponge. Gently scrub the stubborn spots. For bad smells, try vinegar. Mix equal parts water and vinegar. Microwave this mixture for a few minutes. The smell of vinegar will disappear. It will take the bad smells with it. Your microwave will smell fresh again. Remember, be gentle. Don't use harsh scrubbers. They can scratch the microwave surface. With a little patience, your microwave will be sparkling clean. Keeping your microwave clean is easy. Wipe up spills right away. Don't let food harden. Use a microwave cover. It prevents splatters. A clean microwave makes cooking more joyful. Cleaning your microwave regularly keeps it working well. It also makes your kitchen a more pleasant space. Remember, a clean home is a happy home. Let's continue to find joy in the everyday. Even cleaning the microwave can be a mindful activity. Enjoy the process, and enjoy the feeling of a sparkling, clean microwave.